I appreciate you guys being patient with me. This is a long video. This is a more complicated step. Molly has a book with 225 pages. She reads 25 pages a night for 1 week. Which expression shows how many pages Molly has left to read in the book? So the book only has 225 pages. That's all it has. It has no more, has no less. She reads 25 pages a night for 1 week. How many days are in a week? 7. Okay, so let's see how many she reads. 25 times 7. That's 35. Trade your 3. That's 7 times 2 is 14, 15, 16, 17. She reads 175 pages. And it wants to know how many pages are left. Left being the key word, left being meaning I need to subtract. So I'm going to take 225 minus 175. However, that's not over here. Let's look at what they did over here. 225 plus 25 times 7, 225 minus 25 times 7, 225 plus 25 minus 7, and 225 minus 25 minus 7. Left is a key word, means I'm subtracting regardless. So I'm going to throw away every single multiplication because left means I need to subtract. And you can tell that I multiply 25 times 7 because there's 7 days in a week and I read 25 pages. So therefore there's a multiplication. This one's subtraction. It doesn't make any sense. Therefore the answer is B. And the very last question, guys. Keep going, you guys. Can you do this? The class of 22 students took a survey on how many hours of TV they watched yesterday. 12 students watched 3 hours of TV. So 12 students watched 3 hours of TV. That's 36 hours of TV they watched. 8 students watched 2 hours of TV. That's 16 of TV. 2 students watched 0 hours of TV. Which expression represents the total amount of TV watched by the students? So, we're looking at the equations here. We know eventually that we need to get 36 and 16 added together. And that gets you 12. That gets you another 52. So let's look at the equations here. 2 plus 22. That gets you 24. Plus 8 times 2, that's 16. 16 plus 24, that gets you 40. 22 minus 2, that's 20. Plus 8 plus 12, that's another 20. That gets you another 40. 12 times 3, oh, I see I did that pattern already over here. 12 times 3, that's 36. 8 times 2, that's 16. Oh, that must be my answer. And this one is 8 minus 3, which is 5. And 12 plus 2 is 14. When you add them together, you only get 19 hours. Now, you'll understand here that I'm multiplying 12 times 3 because 12 students watched 3 hours. That's basically saying I did this. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I did 12 kids, and they all watched 12 kids watched 3 hours. Well, that's a total of 36. All I did was take that information, knowing that I would have to write 3 12 times, and I turned it into a multiplication problem. Okay? Hope you guys remember to turn this in.